Hello Audi fans, welcome to our channel today. As you might be aware, a few months ago I bought this Audi A8 long base 4.2 V8. It's a 2007 and it was inspired by the movie Transporter. This movie actually for me was one of the first movies where I saw an Audi and I fell in love with them. So the car was not in a good state. We're bringing the car back to its former glory and we're trying just to fix everything we can for this car. A couple days ago we had this noise on the rear right, this one here, where it's actually looks like a kind of grinding noise on the inside, but also on the exterior it sounds like something is banging or knocking. I don't know if the heat shield or something. I can't see anything on the just by looking underneath or on the wheel, but I just wanted to ask you your opinion, what you think this could be. Just gonna put the microphone nearby and everything so you guys can hear it, how that sounds, and if you can help me out. I'll patch the video now and then you can let me know. Please help me out with the car. What's going on with this wheel that is sounding like crazy? Yeah, let me know in the comments. Which, by the way, I'm gonna be putting the progress since we bought the car not brand new, but brand new to me, secondhand. And then what we have done, all the things that we encounter, what have been fixed, and then what we are today for the car. I'm gonna be putting that and creating a video on YouTube. It's been a long time coming, but it's almost there. So, but please stay tuned, follow us for more information. Thank you.